Hello friends, and welcome to our review of the Glen 4-burner built-in glass hob. This 4-burner built-in hob has 8.0 mm thick toughened glass which is heat and impact resistant and comes with a 5-year warranty against breakage. This hob top is flexible and can be used as a countertop or installed as a built-in as per requirement of your modern kitchen interiors. It has 4 double-ring forged brass burners. Forging process makes the burner 5 times stronger and increases the life of the burner. The 70 cm wide hob gives you enough space to use 4 burners together. There are 2 big and 2 small burners to be used as per your requirement. The precision of gas valves takes care of flame control and there are no chances sim off. This hob has strong vitreous enamel pan supports which can accommodate heavy utensils with ease. Elegant knobs with a firm grip are provided for hassle-free operations. The hob comes with integrated multi-spark auto ignition 1.5 volt battery operated, so no need for lighters or matchsticks. It ignites the burner only during the cooking operations. This 4-burner built-in hob from Glen comes with a 2-year brand warranty. You can also register for a 5-year warranty on the glass. For further information on this Glen 4-burner built-in glass hob, visit the product detail page.